My name is Rochelle Huckabay and I'm a boiler safety officer working for Technical Safety BC. I've been working out of the Prince George office for 8 years. Growing up in Fort Nelson led me to a career in trades. It's a large oil and gas town, and after high school I wasn't really sure what to do, and my dad suggested a process operating job at the natural gas plant where he was also employed. I went on to take the oil and gas field operations course, and that was the first certification I received. I think it's important to have more women in trades because you learn hands-on skills, you make good money, and therefore become quite independent. With the shortage of skilled tradespeople these days, it's a wonderful opportunity for anyone to get into the trades right now. Also, more diversity creates inclusive workplaces and new perspectives and ideas on the job site. There's a misconception that trades are reserved for people that don't do well academically, and that's just simply not true. Some of the most intelligent folks I know work in trades. In 2018, I founded the Prince George Women in Trades and Industry Community Group. It's a local group that was created with the intention of supporting women, networking, providing education and awareness and resources. It has become a very important group for women in trades and industry throughout central BC and has touched the lives of many folks, even throughout the province. It has helped many tradeswomen with their careers, and for that, I am very proud. Working as a boiler safety officer with Technical Safety BC has been the highlight of my career. It's fulfilling making connections in the community while ensuring things are safe, and I really love what I do.